Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level in Verse Peace. To start your journey efficiently, carefully select your initial character race and class for optimal experience gain from the very beginning. Many players overlook the foundational boosts available at character creation, which can save you hours later on. Make sure you are setting up your character to maximize speed and efficiency from minute 1. This will greatly help your overall leveling progress. Once you begin playing, focus heavily on the main story quests. These provide the most significant experience rewards and unlock crucial areas. Strategically pick up side quests that are located along your main quest path to avoid unnecessary travel and maximize your time. As you progress, periodically identify optimal grinding zones featuring dense populations of creatures that grant good experience and respawn quickly, ensuring a steady flow of points. To truly accelerate your leveling, always be on the lookout for experience boost items. These can often be found through quests, events, or vendor purchases. Playing in a group with other players often provides an experience bonus, making combat more efficient and rewarding. Furthermore, keep an eye on the game's calendar for special events or daily login bonuses that frequently offer temporary experience multipliers, giving you a powerful edge. As you approach the higher levels, optimizing your character's skill points and abilities for both offensive power and mobility becomes paramount. Stronger gear will enable you to defeat enemies faster, thereby increasing your experience per hour. Dedicate your time to the most rewarding activities and end-game challenges to push through those final experience thresholds. Reaching the highest level is a journey of strategic choices and persistent effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.